In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos and YouTube channel. So if you're interested in getting the subscribe button at the bottom right of your videos, then this will be a video you don't want to miss. So right now, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos in 2020. So step number one would be to open the YouTube Studio on your desktop device. So open YouTube Studio and click on Settings at the bottom left corner, and then you'll see this pop-up menu where you want to click on Channel, and then you'll see Basic Info, Advanced Settings, and Branding, and you want to click on the last one. So you want to click on Branding, and then right there you can add a video watermark. So adding a video watermark to your content is a great way to improve brand awareness and channel recognition. Then of course you need a subscribe picture. So you want to go to Google and search for subscribe button square. It needs to be a square. Then you want to find a picture. You can choose between all of these. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to click on save image as. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on choose image, and then you want to select that picture that you just downloaded. And then you can click on end of video, custom start time, or entire video. Now I recommend doing this for the entire video so that more people will actually subscribe. So you can then click on replace. You can do a lot of stuff. You can choose any other, you can remove it, but right there you can click on save, and by doing so you will actually add a subscribe button to all your YouTube videos in 2020. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, comment down below that this works so that others can do this as well. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.